پریمیئر نیوز چینل میں خوش آمدید۔ ڈیئر اسٹوڈنٹس، آج ہم ڈسکس کریں گے ریلیشن شپ آف بایولوجی ٹو ادر سائنسز۔ سب سے پہلے بایو فزکس۔ بایو فزکس 2 گریک ورڈ سے مل کر بنا ہے۔ بایو مین لائف اینڈ فزکس مین فیوزز وچ مینس نیچرل تھنگس۔ دی اسٹڈی آف دی پرنسپلز آف فزکس which are applicable to biological phenomena is called biophysics. For example, similarity between working principle of liver in physics and limbs of animals in biology. Next relation is biochemistry. Biochemistry 2 words سے مل کر بنا ہے۔ Bio mean life and chemistry mean chemical reactions. The study of the chemistry of different compounds and processes occurring in living organisms is called biochemistry. Basic metabolism of photosynthesis and respiration involves the knowledge of chemistry. Dear students, photosynthesis and respiration both are chemical reactions which occurs in living organism. Next relation is biomathematics. The study of biological processes using mathematical techniques and tools is called biomathematics. To analyze the data gathered after experimental work, biologists have to apply the rules of mathematics. Next relation is biogeography. Dear students, biogeography 3 words سے مل کر بنا ہے۔ Bio mean life, geo mean earth and graphy mean graphics. The occurrence and distribution of different species of living organism in different geographical regions of the world is called biogeography. The characteristics of geographical regions to determine the characteristics of living organism found there. Next relation is bioeconomics. The study of organisms from economical point of view is called bioeconomics. The cost value and profit value of rice can be calculated through bioeconomics.